Welcome to Epic Flight Academy. My name is Shay, and I'll be taking you on a virtual tour of our campus. This is dispatch, where you check your schedule and check in for your flight. If you keep going down this hall, you have the weather center. This is where you check the weather before you take off and get ready for your pre-flight. Down these halls are briefing rooms. This is where you have your orals and meet with your instructors. And the testing center. Let's check out the flight simulator. Epic has a growing fleet of flight simulators for our students to use on a daily basis. We use flight simulators to lower the cost of training for our students. Students will typically learn how to perform certain maneuvers in the simulator and then demonstrate those maneuvers in the actual aircraft. I almost forgot to show you guys something. Over here, we have the check ride bell. Students get to ring this when they successfully complete a check ride. Let's go grab a snack. In the snack shop, we have Epic apparel, hats, jackets, backpacks, and even some stuff for class. You can grab a snack while you're here, which I think I'll do. Let's head over to the admin building. On your way over to the admin building, you're gonna pass scheduling and a couple other classrooms. Epic is located on the new Smyrna Beach Municipal Airport and has tons of room for our daily activities and operations. We need to issue a special thank you to the air traffic controllers in our airport's tower for providing Epic and its students their constant support, efficient communication, and unwavering patience. Ensuring safety is the top priority. Let's head over to the administration building. This is where you'll first enter when you become a student here at Epic. Here we have our lobby. Chairs to sit, have a seat, but while you wait, you can come over to the kiosk and pick your admissions rep to come down and get you. Come on, let's look at more fun stuff. Here are a couple more briefing rooms. Just a little overflow if we get busy over at dispatch. If we come down the hall, we have the Bessie Coleman classroom. This is where you'll actually have orientation and begin your private pilot course. Students begin their training at Epic with a 2-day orientation covering essential topics such as campus etiquette, training procedures, and meeting all heads of the instructional staff. Bessie Coleman is also where our private pilot instructor, Judy Rice, can usually be found. Recently, after review with the FAA, Judy has a 100% pass rating for her classes. You are in good hands inside this classroom. Here's the library, where you'll study, talk to other students, go over your notes from class, and even have a little more practice. Come on, guys, hurry up. Here's the student lounge, where you can do some more studying, eat, talk to friends, hang out, and even catch a nap. Which is what I'm gonna do. So let's get out of here. Go, get out of here. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of Epic Flight Academy campus. I hope to see you guys really, really soon. But for right now, I got a flight to catch.
Be sure to like our video and subscribe for more Epic content. And while you're here, check out some of our more recent videos and playlists.